was
Oh yeah, that was
What?
sick.
yeah. Oh my god, and they still haven't found us. Oh my god, where are they?
Ooh, that sounded nice.
Oh, these ones are awesome. I like them ones.
Fred.
Tim? Tim?
Fred.
Oh my god. They still haven't found us. How cool.
That is sick. Look at them all go now.
On your phone, they look.
On my phone, it looks like a little fire.
On my phone, I'm changing it. You can make it like negative and stuff and sepia. And change the colour of the fireworks.
Wait, after, can you send that by Bluetooth?
Yes.
Send it to me after.
Why?
Now I've got two, the different.
Oh my god, we're talking and they can hear us on the camera.
Oh!
Did you see that? Did you get that? Did you get that? Did you get that? Baby, you're a firework. Come and let your colors burst. Make 'em go,
I got
Do
that
you
song.
feel that?
Wait, I'll let you record it and then I'll play that song.
I'm a firework. Come and let your colors burst.
Sure.
Make 'em go, after when you sing, baby, you're a
F, 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 F.
Why did you call it FFS?
No, that's... I like them ones, the whistlers.
Yeah. Playing that?
Yes.
Yeah.
Get out the way.
Tim? You can go, man.
Got it. Shine. Fire of July. Baby, you're a firework. I like them ones. They look like they're coming at you. Yeah, it looks like on the camera. Oh, that is sick.
Look. They look like green. Ooh, I didn't get that.
Follow it. There's another one.
Ooh, what was sick.
Fred, look.
Boom. They look like they're coming at you.
Incoming! Them ones are cool.
Yeah.
Wait, look, there's a lantern. It might get hit by a thing, look.
What?
Up there, look. A lantern.
Where?
There. Look there.
Yeah.
See that light?
What's
It's
that?
a lantern. Imagine it gets hit by a firework.
It's too high.
Mate, that firework we saw, look. That was nearly it.
Oh, look at them.
Up,
Almost
up,
gone.
up, 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 up. That must be the age that they do it more.
Oh, I've almost got on my phone. Damn it. No, 1 minute exactly. Oh yeah, got it. Finish, come on. Let me film this.
Oh yeah, look at them guys.
Oh, I've got these.
That looks awesome.
Same. Oh my god, they haven't found us. You see them?
Right. I know what these are for.
What?
To end the Christmas Day painting for the carnival at the fair.